Hello guys, myself Samit Patro. I am in third year pursuing my BTech degree in civil engineering. I am from Bhubaneswar, Odisha and have done my schooling at ODM Public School, Bhubaneswar. I am contesting for the position of Springfest, also known as NIT Utsav's convener. Actually, I am not good at memorizing things, so I have written it on a paper and I will just read from it. So, started in 2005, NU has gained immense popularity among the masses to become one of the largest of its kind in Eastern India. Back in 2020, I was a coordinator in the event management team of NU. I, along with the whole organizing team, worked really hard for the fest. But unfortunately, it got called off due to rising number of COVID cases. Me and my friends were really quite disheartened because it was our first time. Since then, 2 years have passed and we are still awaiting our first NU. But now, with the chance of college reopening in the next sem, hopefully we can resume from where we left. NU is popular for having unique themes each year and continuing the legacy. Last year we had Comic Con and I want to keep the theme same for this time also to complete the incomplete work. NU is that time of the year when students throw themselves into the fun and madness of the various events conducted by the reputed clubs of our college. This time we can also set a prize for the club which will have the most number of participants in their event to motivate them in organizing quality events, ramp walks, dance battles, open mic, live gaming, prom nights and much more awaiting you guys in this year's NU. And how can we forget about the Pro Shows, a night full of music and melody by your favorite Bollywood singers performing live on the stage. And not only music and dance, but we also have comedy nights. Popular stand-up comedians whom you watch hours on YouTube will be right in front of you. You can comment down below the name of the Bollywood singers and comedians you want to have in this year's NU. You must be wondering how can we manage to arrange so many things? Then the answer is you guys only. We will work together and make this fest a memorable one. We have different teams like the design team, web dev team, content team, publicity team, event management and sponsorship, etc. And if the COVID situation does not get any better, then we have to adapt the online mode. Previously, I have organized the very first civil engineering fest of our college in complete online mode with the help of my branchmates and seniors. So I am pretty confident in handling an online fest too. Online fest has its own advantages and some drawbacks. The overall budget will be less, which is a good thing. Outside participation will be more. No tension of accommodation and hospitality. But most important thing, the fun and entertainment will be less too. Nevertheless, together we will try to produce the best in these tough times. The Janki Devi Memorial College became the first DU college to organize their cultural fest called Symphony 2021 completely online. An online fest is better than a college year with no fest. With this, I want to conclude myself. Thank you.